Hi, welcome to the SCM Technologies. So, please subscribe for the SCM Technologies for more videos. Daily, we are updated for new releases and support related things and implemented related things. The videos will be uploaded over here. So, please subscribe for the SCM Technologies. So, for this video, we are doing for the purpose of, we have started one of the SuperFast weekend training. So, which is a completely a weekend batch. So most of the people are requested for the weekend batches. Why? Because their time constraints and they are doing for some other duties for their regular working professionals. So as for their request, we have started for SuperFast weekend training. So this training is completely on the Oracle Fusion, SCM Cloud, AI, and Redwood editions. So here we are dealing with the Oracle ERP application, which is enterprise resource planning for the business purpose, how the application is implemented in their businesses, what are the configurations, what are the new releases which is coming into the upcoming, and what is the current new releases. Everything we are going to train you and a real-time functional consultant. This is a completely real-time functional training. So whatever the issues and whatever the scenarios, whatever the projects we are dealing, we are going to train you in the same way. Okay. This weekend batches starts on basically this weekend. So Saturday and Sunday, 7:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. That means 4 hours and half an hour is for the break time. And total 5 weeks, the training is there, and total 40 hours. 40 hours. Okay, the total 40 hours training is there. Then coming to batch starts on 2nd and 3rd August. And this will be no demos. Why? Because in the demos level, we don't want to be taking much time. Already in SCM Technologies, we have a recent demos are there, what we are dealing. So if you want to see that demo, you can see here Oracle SCM Real-Time AI Editions. So 10 days back only we are uploaded for this demos. If anybody want to join for this course, so please refer for these videos. Then you can decide and you can register on this course. So basically, so we are dealing with the modules of inventory, procurement, RSSP, and the product information management, order management, and costing. These are the core modules from the supply chain management. If you take any business, these modules are mandatory. These modules are mandatory. So we are dealing these modules, and this is a completely non-coding IT job. That means it's a functional consultant. Okay, functional consultant. There is no any coding, but job guaranteed course. Why? Because this ERP application, Oracle ERP, supply chain management application, is have a multiple openings in the market. You just search on the different types of job portals also. Right. And coming to the course duration, 5 weeks, you already discussed, and the course fee is 20K, and the eligibility is minimum degree, right? And what is the main highlights of this course is we are dealing with end-to-end setups and explaining the process flows, how it is coming into the application level, and what is the business scenarios and this process flows, and how the business is using these process flows in their businesses, daily businesses, how system level that will be reflected. So it's a completely business scenarios and project oriented and job related concepts here we are dealing. And it's completely the dealing with industry real-time expert. Okay, he'll guide on this complete for your training. And the access also we are providing for the server accesses up to 1 year. And we can also providing for the, say, once the session is completed, we can provide the live recording videos to your drive folders, and we can also assist you for the interview preparations and resume developments. But one of the best opportunities for this is a super fast training who want to be upgrade their skills in the different domains and want to be looking for the somebody's enhancing their skills from the non-IT to IT. So this course is absolutely useful for your life enhancements. And who is the eligibility for this? The eligibility is very clear. The BTech can become an MBA, MCR, MTech. Any students are having a gap and their education and IT sectors are on their careers. So they are 100% eligibility on this. And the professionals who are already working from the SCM side, procurement side, logistics sides as a end users activities. End user activities, nothing but who are already working from the inventory managing level and the purchasing level, dealing with another ERP applications as end user activities for their business processes. There must be the eligibility of this course. And the persons who are already working from the another ERP applications like Oracle, EBS, SAP Dynamics, there also be a must eligibility for this training. And the functional consultants who are already working in the finance or HRMS or CRMS, they are 100% eligibility. Why? Because they already know the application functionality. They will enhancing their skills immediately. They can understanding for this. Why? Because this is a super fast training, right? So they can understanding very easily when we are going to explaining the concepts. And coming to the another business analysts, support engineers who are already working from the non-IT backgrounds, they want to switch on to non-IT to IT sectors. So they'll also be eligible for these courses. Okay, and job seekers or career gap candidates, we already know about that. The persons who already tried with the multiple businesses and they lost something and they come over for the jobs. So they also be highly eligible for these courses. This is a simple brief about the course and course content and everything. So if you have any queries and registrations, so the registrations form will be, it is there in the YouTube comment link and description level. So if you want to register this course, so please be registered before Friday of this week. Okay, then we can start the batch from 2nd and 3rd of this month, next month, August, right? So we will be sending for the link. Okay, that's all about the course. So don't think about this is a coding related. No, it's Oracle Fusion ERP SCM application. Oracle Fusion ERP SCM application. We don't want to deal with any codings, any SQLs, nothing. But there is a lot of demand from the upcoming also. Current, we have a very good demand, and upcoming also, we have a lot of implementations and support projects will be the pipelines of different customers. So they requested, they want to be a more functional consultant, but in the market, very less functional consultants are. Why? Because only less people are providing this training. There is a less training centers are there, but they deal with only for training, but real-time related scenario base and everything will take care by here for this SCM technologies training level. So please be attended for your registrations and this course. So that's what. Thank you, Tim. If you have any doubts, you just ping me on WhatsApp 720-7245-101. That's our office contact number. You can reach out that and you can ping your queries and getting for the information. That's all, Tim. Thank you.